could play anywhere from 15, well 11, but I try 15 and up.
What's your name and what's in here, man?
Jeff.
Okay.
Find me on YouTube at Quality Audio.
Quality Audio. Okay. I've heard of it. I've seen you.
Today I've got 4 12s, gold 12s from Resilient Sounds, and it's on a MD12K 0.5 wired at 1 ohm.
Okay. Did you build the box?
Yes, I did.
Okay.
It's a 4th order. I've got the port tuned to 40.
Oh, that's back far.
Oh yeah, it's 15-inch deep in there, but it's tuned at 43.
All right.
I could play anywhere from 15, well 11, but I try 15 and up.
Yeah. Can I see an amp? Is there an amp behind it? Okay.
Yeah, everything back there.
All right. How you doing? I'll get it in a second. Okay. And this was at 1 ohm?
Yes, 1 ohm, and it's the 0.5 edition.
Okay. Oh, so your half ohm edition at 1 ohm.
Yep.
Got it. All right.
Those are the North Star 190s. I got 2 of them on Autotech 370 up front.
Okay. Awesome. Sorry, excuse me. Thanks for the demo. Yeah, I'll check out your alternator. Sorry, excuse me. Yeah, voltage was good. All right. Oh, wow. That's low.
Yeah, we'll go ahead and start out with the 15.
Okay.
In the game, straight crippin'. Whip wood, green dippin'. Told all my homies don't go so hard, but my east side niggas won't listen. Roll around town with your bitch, little nigga. 1 hand on the ass, 1 finger on the trigger. Got your nigga slipping if you wanna start shit. Blue checks on your motherfucking carpet.
It's at, but it does sound good.
Oh yeah, making panties drip and panels rip. Yeah, this is DJ Rustic.
That's like a low-end monster for sure.
Yes, it is.
So you're probably what, 15 hertz to like 45 hertz solid.
I can play down to 11
Oh,
and
God.
up to 60.
Wow, that's great. Nice work, man. What was your name?
Jeffrey,
Jeffrey. Jacob. Thanks for the demo, man.
not a problem.
That was awesome.
Just bought a Benz and I love it. Fuck it up, pockets on quick blue shit. Pockets on quick blue shit. Just bought a Birkin, she love it. Hey, fuck it up. Hey, stepped in the game, straight crippin'. Whip wood, grain dipping. Told all my homies don't go so hard, but my inside niggas won't listen. Walk around town with your bitch, little nigga. One hand on her ass, one finger on the trigger. Catch a nigga slipping if you wanna start shit. Blue checks on your motherfucking carpet. Stepped in the game, straight crippin'. Whip wood, grain dippin'. Told all my homies don't go so hard, but my inside niggas won't listen. Walk around town with your bitch, little nigga. One hand on my ass, one finger on the trigger. Catch a nigga slipping if you wanna start shit. Blue checks on your motherfucking carpet. Try and run, nigga, but you. Stepped in the game, straight crippin'. Whip wood, grain dippin'. Told all my homies don't go so hard. Stepped in the game, straight crippin'. Whip wood, grain dippin'. Told all my homies don't go so hard, but my inside niggas won't listen. Walk around town with your bitch, little nigga.
going on, everybody? This is JacobViral ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.